welcome back to another reaction by Javon and Shyvon. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So guys, this guy's by the thumbnail and the title, we're going to react into the World Boss by Scott True Champ official audio. You know what I mean? True Champ. You see the thumbnail, you might champion the best boxer in the world.
What?
World Boss, big up yourself. But yeah, we're going to dive into it, man. You know, we ain't here to waste some time. We're going to dive into it, like and subscribe. Keep coming to the end of the videos you want us to react into, and keep showing us love. We appreciate it. We love all you guys. You know, so I know we don't say it all the time, but we truly, really appreciate it. I know we may not be able to give back a lot right now, but if you guys keep supporting and bringing more, you know, family to this channel, I promise you we're gonna give back a lot to you guys. So,
you know, $1 here, $1 there, $1 everywhere.
True. You know what I'm saying? So let's go, man. We're trying to go to 2K before the end of the year. We can do it. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
For the ghetto youth, them, you know, a March Pen, Max Steel, Mobile, whole Jamaica. Just no say. Never say never. I know that you can. Look at what we've been through. This is what makes a true champ. So come here, we can fly now.
Never say never. Never quit. Because quit is never the option. Because in the long run, you will become a true champion.
True champion.
Times is going to get hard. It's meant to be hard. It wasn't meant to be easy.
Speak, Reverend.
Speak.
We can touch the sky, we can touch the sky, we can do that.
You can do anything you press to strengthen us.
So if we can beat, you can beat too. No for them never living on me when them me too. And they never help me to my levels, but as we make it out, them want to fool me up a pebble.
Why people like that, you know?
People
They never help you grow. But as soon as you grind, you get it from the mug, you grind your ass off.
They be like, hey bro.
And then when you get to that point where, you know, you're financially free, you can drive all the car, you push start button, you know what I'm saying? V8, everybody's coming in your circle. But they wasn't there from the beginning.
Or they didn't see the potential in you.
Yeah.
And then when they do see it, they be like, oh bro, you remember when growing up, you know, we used to do this, we used to do that.
No, I don't remember.
I don't remember shit.
I don't remember. You know what I'm saying?
Show me blessing so far, we'll have to get the course here, we'll not just want. I know that you can. Look at what we've been through, this is what come and pick a fly, we fly, we can cruise, yeah.
We can fly, we can cruise.
We can touch the sky.
Boy, if you don't.
We can touch the sky, we can do that.
Keep grinding, keep pushing.
Society never tell you that go
Damn.
He's saying well, he said ghetto youth, you know, ghetto people. He said he love all you ghetto people, and he said society never tell you guys that, but he's saying that he love all you guys, just respect all you guys for the grinding and showing them love throughout his career, pretty much.
That's what's up.
Me never know me could have it. Nobody never tell me some great. They tell me some nose big. Them tell me some too black. They never tell me some.
You gonna have those type of people in your life that gonna tell you, hey, you're too fat, bro. You're too slow. You're too this and you're too that. Don't let them stop you. Keep grinding. You know, keep grinding. You're gonna prove them wrong, because in the long run, they're gonna end up coming back to you, be like, hey, bro, put me on, bro. Put me on, bro. You know, then you're gonna be like, bro, wasn't didn't you call me fat? Make fun of me?
And you ain't even trying to help me lose weight.
Nope.
Chance, but they never know better. Me no blame them neither. Look at what we've been through. This is what makes a true champ. So come here, we can fly, maybe fly, we can cruise, yeah. We can touch the sky, we can touch the sky, we can do that.
You can touch the sky.
Boy, if you don't.
Yo, get to youth. Now listen to me now. This is from a man. Every day a man get caught. Me grow and see that.
Which part he grew up, every day him see people get conned, people get gunshot, some kind of violence or something with blood. He said he grew up and seen that in his life.
Me never see my future, but stop this son.
And through all that stuff, he never, all the stuff that he been through or seen, he never stopped right there. He never tells himself that he's gonna stop. He always tells himself that he's gonna keep going.
You see, me get know what me want, so that's why me get up and go feet.
He know where he want to go. That's why he get up and he grind till he make it.
You can do the same as me.
You can do the same thing as me.
Say never, I know that you can. Look at what we've been through, and this is what makes a true champ. So come and we go fly, and we fly, we can cruise, yeah. We can touch the sky, we can touch the sky, we can do that.
Chase your vision, man, not the money. If he can do it, you can do it too. Trust me, it's gonna be the hardest starting off. The first 2 years of your business or whatever you're gonna be doing is gonna be the hardest. Your first year or 2 years is gonna be the hardest. You know? So, ain't no luck. It's just be smart, and you always gonna have a plan in whatever you want to do in life. If you don't have a plan, ain't no wrong with that either. You know, just sit down one day, look in the mirror and tell yourself what you want to do and just create a plan and go do it.
I'm gonna be somebody.
In the name of Jesus, we gonna be somebody. Comment down below and say with us. In God's willing, we will be successful on YouTube. I don't care how long it's gonna take. But if you guys keep supporting and showing love, this channel can go a long way. We're gonna build a big empire on this channel. I can see it, I can vision it. You gotta vision something before you chase the money. The money will always come. But you gotta vision it first. You gotta know where you wanna be. And where you are right now. But yeah, I like this song, Respect. It's like a motivation song. What do you think?
I agree.
It's like a motivation song. You're saying thanks to all people that showing love, and you're saying that never let anybody, people take you down, because you know there's always up from there, and it's enough money in this world for everybody to make. So keep grinding, put on the guns, and you know. So yeah, with that being said, we're gonna end this video right here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and yeah, because
I ain't hit you that hard yet.
you guys are there for the angel.